when he says he wants to see other people, what more do you want than this right now? Because like I'm a whole different person. I'm a whole entire different person. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a video for you guys of me installing this wig or whatever, and girl, like, aren't you feeling me right now? First of all, I got contacts on and I got the bleach brow look popping. But yeah, this hair is from ISSE hair and I'll be talking more about it in the video. So yeah, let's get on into that so you guys can see how I install this beautiful wig. I'm giving you Britney vibes right now. The lace is alright. It's not the best, but you know, it's blendable. So please don't mind the mess in the back. My bed is basically my warehouse, so everything is just there. Let's get on into this video. This is called ISSE hair from AliExpress. Totally recommend it. I think the wig came in like a week. When you post that you got your wig and everything on Instagram and you tag them, they are going to message you saying, just give us a review, not even 5 stars, just give us a review and we're sending you $10, it's under 5, I'm not sure. They send you money back just for doing that. I thought that was pretty cool. Inside you get 2 wig caps. They're this color. You can see right there it says 2 pieces. It does come with these mink lashes. I don't really think these are mink. They also give you this card here, AliExpress. ISSE hair on AliExpress. Now for the good part, the hair. This is the bag that it comes in. It's like a Ziploc bag. It says Brazilian hair is 150 density. It's a 13 by 4. It's 20 inches. The texture of it is straight. This all comes in the bag. It does have a hairnet in it. I did take it out because I was a little impatient. It doesn't really shed that much. So this is what the lace looks like. Almost invisible. It is a little bit lighter, as you can tell. I have worn a blonde wig before, but it was a bob. I didn't really like the whole bob thing, but it didn't look that bad. It is already, that's that Shopify. Yeah, the hair is pre-plucked, so I'm not going to pluck it again. So I do not braid my hair because I don't know if you guys know, but I have a lot of hair and it is very long. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to brush all of my hair. I'm basically going to do a 3-strand braid. I kind of like tucked it under. And then at the top so it doesn't flop out. I'm trying to get it perfect without getting my ring stuck in it. I'm using Got2b glue. I don't use hair glue because I don't have wigs on for that long. A thin layer right where my hairline is, but not on my hair. Before I go broke like Jack, I'm gonna do like big. I'm actually going to cut my ears out, but I'm going to do that. So you know when it's dry, when you touch it and it's not like tacky or anything. So now I'm going to cut it. These are some like eyebrow scissors. Oh, this feels so like relieving. Alright, so you see this little flap there? I literally just tucked that shit in because I'm not cutting that. I don't even know what I was cutting just now. I forgot that I wanted to do a TikTok, so let me do that real quick. Just be like, doom, doom.
What's up, y'all? It's Nicki Minaj.
roaches. What I'm going to do is put another layer of got to be. This one could be a little bit more thicker, but you want to put it like 75% on the lace, 25% on your scalp. I'm gonna basically like push it down like right here. You can see some is like lifted, and I'm going to drag it down like that until it is blended into the skin. Okay, I didn't show you guys the inside. This is what she looks like on the inside. So she does have clips and all that good stuff, and she has a strap. All right. So she is. Oh no, she's not that tight. So now I'm just gonna basically melt that into the skin with a comb, of course.
Anyway, so
I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes and then I'll be back. Alright guys, this is basically how she is looking. I did have to cut the ends though, because the ends were super duper thin. It was like 3 hairs, so I just like chopped it off, and these ends are still pretty thin compared to the rest of the hair, and it's not even that long. My natural hair is legit longer. I'm feeling it. Are you guys feeling it? I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna do makeup, and I'm gonna show you guys the end result. See you guys. Hey love, so it is the next day. This is what the wig looks like. Everyone is feeling me right now. They feeling me. Let me move this back. Yes, everyone is feeling me right now. They feeling the blonde. I've actually done blonde before. I don't know why people are just like, because I did for my birthday. But this one is longer because the other one was a bob. Even though I think I mentioned this yesterday, I did cut it some. So, ooh, I'm stepping on shit. So this is supposedly 20 inches and it gets to like right here. Overall, I feel like the hair is amazing. It looks amazing. The lace though is a little bit, you know, it's not like, if you're a person that really wants that to look like human hair, I don't really think this is it, to be honest. Like, you can kind of see the lace a little bit, but I feel like that's the case with 613 hair. For some reason, the lace just be like, you know, it's a little bit more visible. But overall, the hair is great. It feels great, looks great. I give this hair like a 9 out of 10. So as I mentioned, this hair is from ISSE Hair. I will put everything down in the description box below so you guys can purchase as well if you guys want. I'm totally feeling this wig right now. Like, I'm really feeling it. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got any ideas for any other videos, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be doing a college move-in video, maybe like the first week of school kind of video. I feel like that would be very interesting because of Corona. So we're gonna see how that goes, because usually school is lit, but because of Corona, let's just see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.